This video will show you how to create a subject bibliography. So open in front of me is EndNote, and you go to Tools and move down and choose Subject Bibliography. Now I've put my cursor on a specific group, the Injury and Fast Bowlers group, and I only want to include references contained in this group in the subject bibliography. So here you can choose year. Let's say, you can choose anything you want to, but let's say you want to order these publications in terms of year published. List each author separately, and then you can choose in other fields, list each entry that is separated by a slash. This is not relevant at the moment, and let's say OK. Now let's choose, we want to list the most recent years. Okay, pressing in Control. And then we go, and here we have 2015, there was 13 papers published, 2016, 6 papers, 2017, 4. And all these are listed according to the year. Now this is just a useful feature if you want to export some of your references for some reason and you want to list it in a different place. Even if you have a list of your own publications and you want to export it to add to your CV or to a list of references somewhere, you can say save or print preview or print. So there, and you can change the layout, how you want it to be ordered. So play around with this lovely feature. It's quite a fun thing to do, and it makes your life easier if you need this function in your life.